Here we have the Border X Expedition fitted with a filter system by Filter Shop from the factory. So what they've got here built in very nicely next to a pump here in the unit is an inline sediment filter followed by a Europure purification system. So the sediment filter basically captures dirt particles, while the Europure filter consists of two separate filtration elements. One, which is carbon and KDF with a little bit of silifos. The carbon will improve taste by removing chlorine and other volatile molecules. The KDF prevents bacteria growth inside of the unit. And then the next part is an ultrafiltration membrane, which actually blocks bacteria, which is a physical barrier to bacteria. And all of this is installed very neatly here inside the unit above a separate tank, which you then fill from your home, say with municipal water, and then filter on site. You can also fill this tank from a campsite setup. Your water, which runs through the filter, which is mounted in the front of the unit, then gets delivered to the outside basin through a separate tap, and then you always have clean water available for cooking and drinking.